Today we're going to be a bacon biscuit from McDonald's. Take the off. Yep, bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, but without the egg. Yep, this is a bacon biscuit with cheese and with biscuit on it. Ah, yes, good old bacon biscuit. Pop the top off and see what's inside. Yep, we got 2 pieces of bacon, and we got cheese on it. Yep, looks great. Let's eat it. Yep, definitely a great bacon biscuit with cheese. And so, yep, in my honest conclusion, the bacon biscuit with cheese is a great choice for McDonald's. That's the end food review.